Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot at the Poco M8 Pro. For that you will have several ways for. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons. So we will need the power button for and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just for short together and you're having a screenshot. After you can see the preview and you can share it directly with WhatsApp, Telegram and so on. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together and you're having a screenshot. If you tap now here on the preview, you're also having the chance to draw something inside or to highlight something. Or here at the corners, you can crop a part of the screenshot, what is very useful if you want to capture maybe a picture from a website or something like this. After, just confirm here on the checkbox and it will be part of your gallery. The second way to have a screenshot is here if you're scrolling down below the battery symbol, so that you're here at the control center, and then you have this toggle here with the scissor in it. Just tap here and you're having a screenshot as well. But the coolest way to have a screenshot is with 3 fingers. So just swipe them across the screen and you're having here a screenshot as well. One more time. Take 3 fingers, scroll them down the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. Yeah, where to find the screenshots after? Of course, at the gallery, and yeah, here they are. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question, and yeah, maybe if you want you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support and yeah, maybe at the next time. Ciao.